Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, or good morning, or good evening, rather, if this is your evening, I dare to say good night. If this is your night, Ndewo, this is the Igbo Tutor live. If you are supposed to be in this class, of course, you know we shifted this class forward by 1 hour due to unavoidable reasons. So if you should be in this class, please begin to join now. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Yes, please begin to join this class now wherever you are from any part of the world. If you are interested in learning Igbo language live, you need to join us now, especially if you're a member of this channel. Those who are not channel members and they want to, enjoy our live class, live teaching, they are to join our channel membership. Even if you are watching this video when it has been made open for other people to see, you need to know that for you to participate in our live classes, you need to be a channel member. So hit the join beside the channel name to join a channel membership. That way, you will be able to join our live classes every Saturday when it comes up. Usually come up by 2 p.m., but today's class was shifted forward by 1 hour. So wherever you are, it's important to begin to join us now. And if you are seeing me now, you are interested in learning Igbo language in a clear live setting, okay, of course, free of charge, you need to join our channel membership. These force you to be able to watch, participate in our live classes on Saturdays. You get free ebook for Igbo language with audio included in it for free every month. And then you have access to the teacher in case you need further help if you join our senior membership. So do that now, and you'll be glad you did. So those who should be in this class, I beg you to start joining up now. Let the class begin in earnest. Yes, I am waiting for you to join up now. Wherever you are, the Igbo tutor is here. It's live. So let's begin to join the class now and let the class begin immediately without further delay. Yes, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Join the class now. Join the class now. I'm waiting for you. Yes, all our channel members, where are you? Begin to join this class now. The Igbo tutor is live. Yes, let's do it together. We began a new series a few weeks ago, bordering on Igbo feeling, how to express your feelings in Igbo language. So if you want to learn more about that, you do well to join this live class right now. All our channel members begin to join up now. The Igbo tutor is live. I'm expecting you to join up now. All our channel members, I sent out a notice earlier announcement indicating that this class will be shifted by 1 hour. And in case you did not see that and you are getting notification now that I'm live, you do well to join this live class right now. As you join, please let's know you are here. Drop your greetings. That way we'll know you are in the class. It's a way of marking your register when you are in the class. Just drop a greeting. Say Ndewo. Say no. Even if you are watching this from our homepage, do well to drop your greetings to us. Say Ndewo, no, Dalo, whatever you need to say it. Okay? That way, we recognize your presence in the class. We also return the greetings to you accordingly. Do that now. Drop a chat. Let me know you are in the class already. Who is there with me? Hit the chat. Drop something there. Say Dalo onye nkuzi. Say no onye nkuzi. That is like saying welcome teacher. Okay? Say Dalo onye nkuzi. Thank you teacher. Joy, Ndewo. I'm happy you are here. Ndewo, Joy, one name one. Who else is in the class? Drop your greeting. Say Ndewo onye nkuzi. Daalụ onye nkuzi. No onye nkuzi. Just say something and let me know you are in the class. That's where you have marked your register today. This is a live class where I need to call you by your name and interact with you directly. So if you don't drop a chat, if you don't greet, if you don't register your presence, I wouldn't know you are in the class. So do that right now. even as we wait for others for a few minutes more to join up so the class can begin in earnest. So, who else is joining this class now? I want to start by reviewing what we did last week, but I'm thinking we should just wait a little more, few more seconds, or few more minutes rather, maybe 5 minutes exactly to allow for those who are, getting notice a little bit late or those who are held up in one way or the other. I just wanted us to give at this 5 minutes gap. So the class will start in full in 2 minutes time. If you agree with me, Joy, say Odema. Say no Odema. Okay. If you agree with me, Joy Onyebuchi. If you agree with me, we should wait for 2 more minutes before starting fully. Please let me hear that. Drop a chat. Sim Odema. Or Sim Kanyi Chere. Obere. Let's wait a little. Yes. I'm waiting for you. Where are you? You are a member of the channel. Begin to join this class now. We want to maintain 1 hour on the dot. We won't pass that. So the earlier you join, the better. Joy, am I audible enough? Can you hear me? Joy, confirm if you can hear me very well. Do well to confirm. Joy Onyebuchi, am I clear enough? Can you hear me very well? And if you are seeing me now and you wish to be part of this class, the first thing to do is to hit the hit the join button beside the channel name so that you can register, you can join the class, pay your fee, and become a member of the channel. That way, you will be given access to attend our live classes every Saturday. So do that now. Clement Emehe, ndewo na class. Daalụ. Okay, Joyce Odema. Very well. I think we are having 1 minute left before this class will start fully. Just 1 minute. Who else is joining before the class begins fully? Because we are not exceeding 1 hour. Exactly on the 1 hour mark, we close this class. So we don't want to waste a lot of time. Okay. Yes, anybody joining again? I have 2 people here now. Joy and then Clement Emehe. Who else is joining this class now? We're beginning right away. Fine. The class is starting. First, let's review. Remember, we're doing Igbo feeling, how to express our feelings in Igbo language. Of course, there is a book on this, which I've told you people to download from our channel membership page. I hope we have done that already. How many of us have gotten our books? If you know you have accessed your book, you've downloaded it, please indicate. Indicate. Nakendewo. If you know you have gotten your free ebook for the month, please say, I got mine or I've got it. Enwetere ya. Let me know. Enwetere ya. Okay. Nake has said he got his own free ebook. What about Joy? And what about Clement Emehe? Have you gotten your book for the month? Have you downloaded your free ebook for this month? Please indicate. Indicate. Let me get your response. Well, okay, we move. You do well to like this live class. Okay, Clement say, enwere ya, very well. How about Joy? Joy, how about you? Have you gotten your book? Inwetego akwụkwọ gị? Inwetego akwụkwọ gị? Do well to like this live class. Hit the like button beside the channel name. Share if you can share. And let's begin. First, ka anyị lee ihe anyị mere n'izu gara aga. Let's check what we did last week. We stopped at this. We stopped at this last week, which is hunger. Okay. Ago was what we did last week. I believe this is what we did, where we stopped last week. If you agree with me, please say yes. Is this where we stopped last week? Ago, which is hunger. Is that where we stopped last week? Please indicate. Agree with me or disagree with me. Ọ bụ ebe a ka anyị kwụsịrị n'izu ụka gara aga? Ọ bụ ebe a ka ọ bụghị ebe a? Joy have not told us whether he has gotten her book or not. Oh, it's like she said, A, okay, I saw A. That's very well. Okay, that means you have gotten it very well. Okay, yes, yes. Is ọ bụ ebe a ka anyị kwụsịrị n'izu gara aga? Ọ bụ ya? Okay, enwetara m ya very well. Ana m ajụ sị, ọ bụ ebe a ka anyị kwụsịrị n'izu ụka gara aga? Agụụ, ọ bụ ya ka anyị kwụsịrị? Ọ bụ ya bụ ihe ikpeazụ anyị mere? Is this the last thing we did last week? I need your answer before I move. I need your answer. Is that the last thing? Was that the last thing we did? I need your response. Yes. Was that the last thing we did last week? I go by my record, this is the last thing we considered. Is that true? Ọ bụ eziokwu? Ọ bụ eziokwu? Ana m eche unu. Zam ya, zam, answer me. Zam ajụjụ. Ọ bụ ebe a ka anyị kwụsịrị n'izu ụka gara aga? Is this where we stopped last week? No response yet. It appears you did not keep your notes. You did not remember. What is the problem? You did not remember. You didn't keep a note. You didn't write. Why is nobody saying anything yet? Or is it network delay? Is it that yes or no? But I've not gotten any feedback yet. Is that the last thing we did last week? This ago, hunger or hungry. I hope we are hearing me very well. Am I audible? Oh, Clement said, am I him? How about Joy? Joy, were you here last week? And I think Joy was here last week. And Nake was here also. Is it the last thing we did? Okay. In my record, this was the last thing we considered last week. So since I'm not getting any other feedback, I'm going to proceed to the next feeling expression here. And what do we have? First, stop sharing this. Go ahead, pick what we have next. And this is what we have today, beginning today. The first feeling we have today is this feeling of hatred. Hatred is called Igbo asi or mporomasi. Two ways to say it. Igbo asi or mporomasi. That is hatred. Okay? Boroasi is hate that thing. Okay? Our sentence say, Akboromya asi. Akboromya asi. You see, this hatred goes with two words, boro or Igbo and asi. They are always together, but in the real expression in sentence, sometimes they may not be in the same place. The example is what we have on the screen, Akboromya asi. I hate him. Okay? But if it is, or he hates me, how do we write it? He hates me. This one is Akboromyasi. I hate him. What if we want to say he hates me? How do we say it? Write that in the chat. That is the first challenge today. He hates me. He hates me. How do we say that in Igbo language? Let's go. Hit the chat now. He hates me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shoot it now. Shoot it now in the chat. He hates me. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go. Drop it in the chat now. Who is doing that first for us today? He hates me. Let's go. Let's go. I hate him is Akboromya Asi. What of he hates me? Okay. Nake has done something. Okay. Nake has done something. Okay. Okay. Any other response? Joy, what do you say? Amen. What do you say? He hates me. He hates me. What do you say, Joy? What do you say, Clement? He hates me. Nake is deleting what he wrote. Maybe he wants to change his mind. Clement say, akporo omu asi. That's good effort. Joy say, o akporom asi. Good effort. Let's know what Nake has gone back to do. Maybe he's preparing better. Let's see what he's going to say next. I'm waiting for you, Nake. Be fast. Joy Clement say, akporo omu asi. He hates me. Joy wrote, "O akporom asi." Good effort. Let me hear what Nake has gone back to do. Nake, what do you go back to do? Just deliver. Let's see it now. What did you say? He hates me. How do you say that in Igbo language? He hates me. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, Nake. We are waiting for you, Nake. Okay. Okay. Joy is reviewing her own sentence. Nake is coming back and saying, "Oh na borom asi." I love this. Okay. Joy Clement a oro o mu asi. Okay. Joy say, okay, let me take the second sentence for Joy as the final one. Joy, I hope that is the final one. O borom asi. Nake wrote, "O na borom asi." Okay, let's review them one by one. Clement Emehe is completely out of it because if you say he, you have to start with "o." That is the beginning. So from the word go, you missed it. Everything has to start with "o." Okay. Then what follows is not akborom asi. When you are starting a sentence with a singular pronoun like o or o, right? You will not put the a in front of the verb that follows. In this case, we have akporomasi. Akporomasi, there's a in front of the verb. The a has to go. So second sentence of Joy is perfect. O borom asi. You cannot say o akborom asi. It doesn't flow. You don't say o e boro o. You don't say o e meremunka. No, you say e merem or a borom. So the a or e after the singular pronoun we go. But let me say this clearly. So that's why only Joy got it. Second sentence of Joy, okborom asi. Okay? That is the perfect sentence here. I want to repeat that again for emphasis sake. Okborom. For emphasis sake. Let me repeat it. Okay? That is the correct sentence. But let me also explain this. What if it is plural? Because I said when you're using singular pronoun, you remove the a in front of akborom or emerem or asirim, whatever it is. You remove the a. But if it's a plural pronoun, like they hate me, they hate me, okay? Is okay. You see use boro asi because boro asi is the parent word, okay? Boromasi. That is what we should use, even if it's the plural in this case, because boroasi is the hatred itself. Boroasi or ikwasi or boromasi. Okay. So whether it is plural or singular in this case, it is boromasi or boromasi. So boroasi is the main verb. Is the main verb. The A is not going to be there. But I'm going to explain to you when to leave the A there as we go on. So, but let's drop this and go to another expression here. And what do we have here? Let's see. Second one for today. Okay. This is what we have for today. Second one. And this is equoro. Equoro, meaning jealousy. Jealousy. Envy and jealousy. Okay. Okay. Envy is even different. This is jealousy. Equoro. And the sentence we have here is on equoro. On equoro. He is jealous of me. Okay. What if you say he has jealousy. He has jealousy in his heart. He or she has jealousy in his heart or in her heart. Okay? How do we say that? In this case, in the board, we have Onekwom Ekworo. He is jealous of me. Onekwom Ekworo. So you can see Neekwo, Ekworo look alike. Neekwo is the action, the act of doing that envy is Neekwo, Ekworo. But Ekworo is the verb, the noun itself, the jealousy. So Onekwom Ekworo is jealous of me. But I'm saying he has jealousy at heart or in her heart. How do we say that? He or she has jealousy in his or her heart. How do we say that? A simple sentence. He has jealousy in her heart. She has jealousy in her heart. Okay, rather. Or he has jealousy in his heart. The pronouns are all the same. No difference between he or her. So you should know that. So how do we write that? He or she has jealousy in her heart. How do we write that? Let's go. I hope I'm clear enough. He or she has jealousy in his or her heart. Let's go. Write that for me now. Let's go there. Who is writing for me? Who is shooting first? Let's go there. Go ahead and shoot. He or she has jealousy in his or her heart. Challenge yourself to write Igbo sentence. Challenge yourself to comprehend Igbo sentence. Challenge yourself to form Igbo sentence. That's what we are here to do. We've been watching videos for long. We've been learning for long. Let's test ourselves. That's what this live class is all about. Testing our knowledge, testing our level of progress, and improving more by doing so. It's a way of exercising. Okay? Because some of us don't even have anyone to practice with. So let's go. He or she has jealousy in his heart. Let's go there. Who is writing for me first? Who is writing first? Who is going first? Nake is in first. Nake is in first. Good effort here, Nake. Well done. Merenkoma. Who is following? He has jealousy in his heart. He has jealousy in his heart. Who is following Nake? Who is coming second here? Who is coming second here? He has jealousy in his heart. Clement is in, following. Ona ewere kwuru n'ime obi ya. Good effort. Yes. Where's Joy, my sister? Nwanne m nwanyị Joy, kedu ebe ị nọ? Ngwanụ. Ka anyị hụ nke gị o. Let's see your own. Ka anyị hụ nke gị. Nwada Joy. Nwada Joy. Joy abịago. O nwere ekworo n'obi ya. Yeah, that's great. Okay, o nwere ekworo n'obi ya. He has jealousy in his heart. Nnake is correct. Joy is correct. Emehe, take correction from your colleagues. O nwere ekworo n'obi ya. Why do we use O instead of O? Who can explain that? Simple answer for that. Why do we use O instead of O? We use O in Okporomasi, but here we're using O as the pronoun. Why do we use O instead of O? Who can explain that in a simple one single sentence? Who can do that? Who can try that? Who can try that for us? Why I'm fetching the next one, let somebody make attempt at explaining the reason for that. Yes. Why I go for the next one, the next expression. Yeah, we are going there. We are there. Anybody trying to do what I said? Anyone making thought on that? No one yet. This is what we have. Number 3 feeling expression today is feeling of love. Ihonanya. Ihonanya. Love. Our sentence goes thus. Lee ya sịrị. Ọ na-egosi m ịhụnanya. Second one say, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Do you see that? N'anya and hụrụ were not in the same place, but they complement each other. Hụrụ, eye, seeing with the eye. Ọ hụrụ m n'anya, looks me, admires me, and loves me. Okay? The other one says, second sentence say, ahụrụ m gị n'anya, I love you. First one say, ọ na-egosi m ịhụnanya, it's showing me love. Now, what's the difference between the two expressions? The first one, ihonanya, is a noun. Second one is a verb in action. Ahurum ginanya, I love you. Why the first one is the noun form of ihonanya, love, is showing me love. It's a noun there. Hope that is clear. Let's try with a sentence now. Nobody was able to explain why we use O instead of O in our first person pronoun. No problem. Let's go on. We are trying now to make another sentence with ihonanya. Okay. Okay. He loves me so much. He loves me so much. He loves me so much. How do we say that in Igbo language? He loves me so much. Let's go there. He loves me so much. Let's go. He loves me so much. Let's write that now in Igbo language. Let's go there. He loves me so much. Who is doing that first for us? He loves me so much. Let's go. He loves me so much. Who is doing that for us now? He loves me so much. Yes, let's go. He loves me so much. Write that in Igbo language. Okay, Joy is saying because of the following verb. Okay, what happened to the following verb? He didn't explain further. The following verb has heavy vowels. Heavy vowel. That's the reason. E in the following verb, which is nwere. The two E's there, especially the first one, that one matters most. The first vowel in nwere, which is A, is a heavy vowel. So for the verb to agree, the pronoun must also be in the heavy vowel class, which is O without dot under, onwere. Okay? Okay, that is the reason for that. I believe it is clearer for everybody now. That is called vowel agreement. Nkwekorita udaume. That is it. Now we are going to say, he loves me so much. And then we have to write that now. Nnake has done that. Remaining the rest to do the same. He loves me so much. Yes, shoot it now. Who is having a different opinion? Nnake has dropped his own. He loves me so much. Joy said something already. Okay. Seems Joy and Nnake are in a contest today. Who will lead the class? I never know. Clement Emehe, what do you say? Ọ hụrụ m n'anya nke nnukwu. Okay, good effort. Good effort. If you have just joined the class, please drop your greetings so we know you are in the class and welcome you officially. Otherwise, we don't know you are in the class yet. All right, let's review your answers. Nnake ọhụrụ m n'anya nke ukwuu. That is correct. If you use nke ukwuu, just as Joy also says so, ọhụrụ m n'anya nke ukwuu. Both are correct. You can also say ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne. That is another option. Where is Clement running away? Oh my God. Clement is running away. I don't know. The first sentence you wrote is almost correct. I wanted to comment on that, and you deleted it and ran away. What is the issue? That your first sentence is also correct, but I wanted to explain something with it. I don't know why you ran away with it. Nevertheless, we are still waiting for you. So let's say ọhụrụ m n'anya. Sorry, n'anya. We can say ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne. This is also correct. My O was missing. Okay, do it again now. Let's see it. Ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne. This is also correct. Rinne is also saying much. Okay, so much. Rinne. Or nke ukwuu. I'm only giving you a different option. The two sentences are correct. If you say ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne, ọhụrụ m n'anya, please, my anya is not correct. There's a typo there. Can I correct it? This does not allow it to be corrected. So, but I believe you understand what I'm saying. I need to remove it because there's no room for correction here. This chart does not give room for correction. So I have to remove it. Ọhụrụ m. The M can be together or separate. It doesn't mean. Okay. N'anya. Where's what I'm writing? I can't see it. Where is it? Okay. Ọhụrụ m n'anya. Okay. Nne is what I was saying before. Ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne. Okay, Clement has come back with this thing. He says, ọhụrụ m n'anya nke nnukwu. Nke nnukwu is not bad too. It's not bad too to say nke nnukwu. Okay, nke ukwu. Nke nnukwu is not also bad if you say nke nnukwu. There's no problem there. Ọhụrụ m n'anya nke nnukwu. So, Clement, you are also correct if you say nke nnukwu. Ndewo, Princess Ezenwa. Glory be to God, oh. I was afraid, oh, I'm not hearing from you. You're not replying my chat on WhatsApp. I was afraid that whether you are safe or not. But thank God you are here. Ezenwa, I'm glad to see your presence here. And that is comforting to know you are okay. You are fine. You just chose not to answer me. All right, that's fine. Ndewo, Ezenwa, daalụ. 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 Nwada. Okay. Omachi, no, welcome to class. Omachi, you're welcome to class. Okay. Let me first welcome Adeze. Okay. Before I welcome Omachi. Okay. Omachi. Yes. All right. Dr. Blank, you are also here. I need to welcome you too. You guys are just coming in the same time. No, Doc. I'm only going to use Doc for you. Okay. No, Doc. All right. So you are all welcome. Before you came in, we were talking about the way to say ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne, ọhụrụ m n'anya nke ukwuu. It lost me so much. And we've had different expressions on that. Somebody said ọhụrụ m n'anya nke ukwuu, correct? Ọhụrụ m n'anya nke nnukwu, correct? Ọhụrụ m n'anya rinne, also correct. So we accepted all of them before you came in. Let's go to where we are now, which is the next expression. Let's take it now and run with it. What do we have? What do we have? Okay, this is what we have now. Feeling of what? Malice. 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 Obi ojo, that is malice. All right. And then these are our sentences on the screen. I nwere obi ọjọọ megide m. You have malice against me. Hmm? You have malice against me. I nwere obi ọjọọ megide m. Now, what if you say um, malice is a dangerous behavior. Malice is a dangerous behavior. Hmm? Malice or keeping malice is a dangerous behavior. Hmm. Hmm. Or is a bad, let me even make it a little bit simpler. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. How do we write that in Igbo language? Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Can we try that? Let's see. Those of you who can make something good out of that. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Let's go. Try that. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's try that now. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Who is trying that first? Nake seems to be leading in the class today, being challenged by Joy. I don't know what SN1 will do now that she's in, whether she's going to contest for class captainship today or not. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Let's go. Let's go there. Who is trying that out? Keeping malice is a bad behavior. SN1 is coming in. Obiojo bunjon sobu. I don't know behavior in Igbo. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see who will help us out with that. Let's keep that. Keep your fingers crossed. Everyone, keep your fingers crossed. Let's see who will help you out in the class. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Who will crack this down? Who will break it in pieces? Let's go. Who is doing this? Who is doing it? Who is rescuing us from this dilemma now? Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Yes. For now, Nake is leading the class as the class captain, being challenged by Joy as assistant. Now we have Princess Ezenwa. Hope she's going to challenge for leadership. Who is helping out? No one is dropping anything. What is going on? What is happening? Ogini neme? Ogini neme? What is happening? Joy is in. Obiojo, bumumojo. Good one. Good one from Joy. Keeping malice is a bad behavior. Let's go there. Nake, what are you saying? Don't let Joy dethrone you. Where are you, Nake? What of a mehe? What are you saying? Omachi, try it out. Let's go. Dr. Ablahi, do something now. Keeping malice. Okay, Clement is in actually. Nwere obi ọjọọ dị omume ọjọọ. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. I mere nke ọma. I mere nke ọma. Ka ị gaa n'ihu. Who else is saying something different? Where is Nnake? Is he still in the class or he has gone out? The Nnake family, where are you? You are missing in action. What is the problem? I'm waiting for you. I got only from Joy and Clement and Ezenwa. Omachi is missing in action. Nake is missing in action. Dr. Blahi is missing in action. What is going on? Guys, come up. Come up, come up, come up. Say something. Say something now. Say something now. Say something now. Before I go ahead and supply the answer. You are not saying something. I'm going on with the answer. Now, before I finally give the answer, okay, Amayim, Dr. Blahi. What about Nake and Omachi? If you don't know, say Amayim, just like Dr. Blahi said. That way you save us time. We can move on to something else. Now, let me say this. Princess said she doesn't know Omume in Igbo. Two people have given you the meaning of behavior. Say he doesn't know behavior in Igbo. Two people have given you the meaning of behavior. It's called Omume. You can see that in Joy's sentence and in Clement's sentence. Omume is behavior. Okay. Okay. That said, let's go. Kaigani. Keeping malice. It starts this way. Inwe. Clement said, "Nwere obi ojo." I think he had a little idea of what to say, but how to put it. So it's inwe obi. Inwe obi ojo. Inwe obi ojo. That is the way it should go. Not nwere obi ojo. Inwe obi ojo bo. Okay? Omume ojo. Okay? Omume ojo. Yes, inwe obi ojo bụ omume ọjọọ, omume jọrọ njọ. Okay? So you can say omume ọjọọ or omume jọrọ njọ. There are two ways to say that. Okay? You can say omume ọjọọ or omume jọrọ njọ. I gave you two options there. Inwe obi ọjọọ bụ omume ọjọọ or inwe obi ọjọọ bụ omume jọrọ njọ. I put a slash between ọjọọ and jọrọ njọ. These are two ways. They are interchangeable. You can say ọ jọrọ njọ or ọ dị njọ or omume ọjọọ ka ọ bụ omume ọjọọ, ọ bụ omume dị njọ, ọ bụ omume jọrọ njọ. So they can all go. But suffice to say that inwe obi ọjọọ bụ omume ọjọọ. Okay, that is fine. So Joy, I think you can get the correction here. You wrote obi ọjọọ bụ omume ọjọọ. What you said actually is that malice is a bad behavior. You didn't say keeping malice. So keeping malice is the difference here, and that is inwe obi ọjọọ, having that malice or keeping it in your heart. Okay, it's a bad behavior. Omume ọjọọ or omume jọrọ njọ. Hope that is okay for everybody. If that is fine by you, give it a thumbs up. And then let's move on to next thing here. Please don't forget to give this live class a thumbs up. Okay. Don't forget to hit the like button beside the channel name, and then give give thumbs up or emoji if you're okay with that. Like I say, idobe obi ọjọọ bụ agwa ọjọọ. Wow, this is interesting. Idobe obi ọjọọ. He is actually interpreting my sentence word for word. That is to say, idobe, inwe obi ọjọọ. I say inwe, having. Okay. Okay. Inwe obi ọjọọ. Okay. Keeping malice, but he's trying to interpret it word for word. When I say keeping malice, that's why he wrote idobe obi ọjọọ. But idobe seems to be to keep for preservation. Okay. That is not supposed to exactly be the interpretation. Or is inwe obi ọjọọ is acceptable. But all the same, idobe obi ọjọọ is not bad. Okay, it's not bad. But agwa ọjọọ, let me say this too. Agwa and omume are both used interchangeably. Agwa, Just like Nnake wrote it, agwa is the same as omume. They can be used interchangeably. So where you use agwa, you can use omume. Where you use omume, you can use agwa. That is what Nnake has just done by his contribution. AGWA, agwa, is the same thing as omume. Princess Ezenwa, are you getting it clearly now? Please indicate. I want to see your response. You are talking about omume. You don't know what is behavior in Igbo. Is that clear now? Princess Ezenwa, I want your response. I need your response now on this. Okay, Joy Ndewo. Some of you have not hit the like button for this live class. That's not fair to your teacher. Do that. So let's go to the next. What do we have next? Uh, yeah. And then what we have next is this, and that is this. Agwa, maọbụ omume. Yes, that's what I mean exactly. That's what I mean exactly. Agwa maọbụ omume both mean the same thing. Okay, Princess Ezenwa, you didn't give me the feedback. I said, let me hear if you are clear with what I explained concerning behavior. Okay, I've not gotten your response. Okay, this is what we have right now. Patient, ndidi. Patient, ndidi. And the sentence we have is onwere ndidi. He has patient. It can also be, he is patient or he has patience. He is patient or is patient. Okay, both are correct. Okay, both are correct. Now, let's go ahead and do another sentence for this. Princess Ezenwa, are you still in the class? I'm not getting your feedback. Are you still with us? Okay. Let's make a sentence now with ndidi. Patient. Okay. The new sentence now is patient is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. I hope I'm not becoming too grammatic. I hope my English is not getting too high. I know you guys are not, you are all educated. Patience, patience, patience is a virtue. Is that clear? Did everybody get me clearly? Is it clear to everybody that patience is a virtue? Let's go. Write that in Igbo language if you get me clearly. Patience is a virtue. Write that right now in Igbo language. Let's go there. Right. Patience is a virtue. Okay, I'm waiting. Who is doing that first for us? Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Patience is a virtue. Okay, Clement wrote agwa. Okay, Clement wrote ndidibo or the marama. Okay, good effort. Let's see what others will say. Nake said ndidibo mumoma. That's great. Let me wait for others to contribute. Joy, where are you? Omachi, are you still in the class? Omachi, one name why? Are you still here? Please say aye. Say yes if you are still here. Okay. Ndidi. Marama or the ma. Clement, I don't know which one to choose from your sentence. So you wrote Ndidi bo in bracket D. Then after that, you wrote Mara. Which one should we take? There's a lot of confusion there. Oh. Omachi say, okay, you are still in the class. How about Princess? Are you still in the class? Please reply my questions. Princess, are you still in the class? Respond to my question now. Waiting there happen, Princess. I don't do you a bad thing. Waiting they go on. You are not forthcoming. Right. So, Omachi, what is your response? Patience is a virtue. What do you say to that? Joy, ndidi bụ ezi uche. Oh yeah, good effort. Ndidi bụ ezi uche is a virtue. Wow, I like that. All right. Omashi, what do you say? Patience is a virtue. What do you say to that? Dr. Abdullahi, are you still in the class? Are you getting anything out of this class at all? Are you learning? Dr. Abdullahi, please confirm if you are learning something from this class. And if you are really learning from this class, please do us a favor, hit the like button beside the channel name, okay, or is it beside or below? I don't know where it is in your screen. Please do us a favor, hit the like button and share if you can share, and then let's move on. That's very important. Okay, it does appear we are not getting any other response. Let's consider what we have. 3 people responded, and we have Ndidi, Agwoma. Okay, we have Ndidi Bo, De, Maramma. There is a confusion in that sentence from Clement Mehe. Nnake Ndidi bụ omume ọma, excellent. Joy, ndidi bụ ezi uche. Ọmachi, ndidi bụ omume ọma. Yes, that is actually the correct sentence, the correct word, the correct sentence. But Omachi, your bo is not correct. You should have dot under. So Nnake family got it excellently, perfectly, nothing to remove. Virtue is omumoma, good character. Omumoma, not eziuche. Eziuche is good thoughts. Good thoughts. That is eziuche. But omumeoma is good character, virtue. So Nnake is still leading in this class today, and he got the answer perfectly well. Ndidi. Okay. Bo. Omumoma. Omumoma. That is excellent. 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 All right. Let's go and draw the next one. I have a dot on my O. Oh, you have a dot? I didn't see it. Omachi Omume is having no dot on the O. I didn't see any dot on that Omume. Omachi. Hope I'm seeing well. Okay. Let's go there. And let's see what we have next. And what we have next is this. Let's go. Mbu, pain. Pain is what we have next. Yes. Pain. Oh, Omachi, you are right. Omume has no dot under O. You are right. Oma has dot under it. You are right. You are right. Ndidi bo. Okay, what I wanted to complain about is bo. You are bo. Should have dot under the U, not Omume. You are bo. It doesn't have dot under the U. That is what I meant. Right. So we are now in Mbu, pain. Pain, Mbu. And the sentences goes thus. Eze na-egbu m mgbu. That is, tooth is paining me. Then the other way around, enwere m eze mgbu. I have tooth pain. Look at the difference between two sentences. Eze na-egbu m mgbu. Tooth is paining me. Second one, enwere m eze mgbu. I have tooth pain. Okay? Now let's have our own challenge sentence. The test. Okay? Tooth pain is very bad. Tooth pain is very bad. That is our sentence for challenge. Tooth pain is very bad. Let's go. Write that in the chat. Tooth pain is very bad. Let's go there. Drop it now in the chat in Igbo language. Tooth pain is very bad. Let's go. Drop that in the chat in Igbo language. Tooth pain is very bad. Let's go. Write that now. Who is shooting first? Tooth pain is very bad. Who is going first? Who is dropping that sentence first? Who is challenging everyone? Who is going there first? Some of you have not hit the like button for this live class, except you are not learning from this class, except I'm wasting your time here. You are not learning anything. Then so be it. Maybe I need to find something else to do. But if I'm impacting, if you are learning something from this class, do me a favor. Hit the like button beside the channel name. Let it count. I have only 3 likes here. Where are the rest? Hit the like button if you are learning something from this class. That is the only way to confirm that. So let's go. Do that now, please. And then go ahead with the challenge before us. Tooth pain is very bad. Write that in the chat now. Tooth pain is very bad. Let's go. Let's go. Who is doing that first? Tooth pain is very bad. I'm waiting for you. Time is ticking. Let's go. Time is ticking away. Clement. Okay, Clement is coming already. Clement has coming already. Okay, who else is following Clement? Clement, I'm not hearing from you again in our private discussion. You are not responding. I guess you are very busy these days. Okay, I guess you are very busy doing something else. Do let me know what we are going to do next. All right. Nake is in. Joy is in. Oh, okay. I said tooth pain is very bad. Okay, okay, okay. Tooth pain is very bad. Clement is in. Joy is in. Nake is in. Okay, who else is trying here? Who else is making efforts? Who else is making effort? Who is in the house? Omachi, Dr. Blahi, Princess. Who else is in the class? Drop your own. Tooth pain is very bad. Tooth pain is very bad. Omachi, you complained that you couldn't join the class, and when the class eventually began, you came in late. Even though I told you the time, you still came behind schedule. I don't know what happened. Tooth pain is very bad. Yes. Who is doing that again? I got 3 responses. Is that all? Okay. Much is in. Great. Let's review your answers. Clement, eze mgbu dị ọjọọ nnukwu. Okay. Okay. Good effort. Joy, eze mgbu bụ omume ọjọọ. Not really. Omume shouldn't come in here. It's not a behavior. It's a pain. So you don't put omume inside at all. Nothing like omume ọjọọ. Okay, omume has spoiled what you wrote. Nnake, eze mgbu dị njọ nke ukwuu. Nnake, you are still showing you are the leader in this class. Okay, eze mgbu dị njọ nke ukwuu. Very good. Very good sentence. Very good sentence. Okay, you can say eze mgbu dị nnukwu njọ, dị ọjọọ nke ukwuu, or dị njọ nke ukwuu. Clement, you also try when you say eze mgbu dị ọjọọ nnukwu, but the excellent sentence is eze mgbu dị njọ nke ukwuu. That is how it should be. I'm going to give another option to that. Eze mgbu, okay, dị njọ nke ukwuu. That's one way of saying it. We can also say eze mgbu jọgburu onwe ya. Jọgburu onwe ya. Not onye, but onwe ya. It can also be said this way. Eze mgbu jọgburu onwe ya, or eze mgbu dị njọ nke ukwuu. Both are correct. So Nnaka is correct, but alternative is eze mgbu jọgburu onwe ya. It's too bad. Okay? If you say ọ jọgburu onwe ya, means it's too bad. Nwoke ahụ jọgburu onwe ya, that man is too bad. Nwoke ahụ dị njọ nke ukwuu, that man is too bad. That is how it is. Try to do one more before we wrap up this today. Let's do one more. And that's why it's important we come early to class. Okay? Because we're maintaining our time. It's 1 hour. We don't want to exceed that. So, what we have on the screen is Obintiwa remorse. Obintiwa remorse. And the sentences before us are Onwere Obintiwa, she is remorseful. Onwere Obintiwa, she is remorseful. Onwere Obintiwa. Now, the sentence we are to use to challenge ourselves is repentance begins with remorse. Repentance begins with remorse. Wow. Very technical sentence. Let's see who will crack the code, who will break it in pieces. Repentance begins with remorse. Repentance begins with remorse. Who is cracking the code? Who is doing it for us? Repentance begins with remorse. Repentance begins with remorse. Who is breaking the code? Who is cracking it for us? Yes. Let's go. Repentance. The beginning is to know the Igbo word for repentance. If you don't know the Igbo word for repentance, you're off mark. Yeah. A minute. You want to go? Hold on. All right. So, who is cracking the code for us? Who is doing it? Let's go there. Let's go. Repentance begins with remorse. Who is helping us out? Who is helping us out? Let's go there. If you don't know, say, am I him? If you don't know, say, am I him? Clement. Bahara na malite nke obi ntiwa. Good effort. I like that. I like Clement. You're making effort. You are challenging yourself. Okay. What did other people say? Repentance begins with remorse. Who else is trying this? Who else? I challenge you to try this. Repentance begins with remorse. Na case in nchegharị na-amalite na obi ntiwa. Good effort. Let me see who else is trying this out. Joy, make efforts. Joy, try. Omachi, where are you? Dr. Blahi, Princess Ezenwa, where are you? At least Nake got repentance. Very well. That's Ncheyari. I like that. He also got Naamalite begins. So, I think Omachi, Ncheyari, Malite, Obintiwa, good effort. What about joy? Okay, am I better? So that we don't wait for you. All right. The only thing Nake means is let me rewrite it. Otherwise, he almost got everything. Okay. Nchegharị na-amalite. So this is the only thing he missed there. It's not na as in NA. It's not and. So it's N with comma on top. Then obintiwa. Nchegharị na-amalite n'obintiwa. It's not with in Igbo version. It's in. Begins in. Okay. Nchegharị na-amalite n'obintiwa. So nchegharị is repentance. Na-amalite begins, okay, or is beginning or begins. N'obintiwa with or in remorse. With remorse. In remorse. I hope. Oh, I've not even posted it. Okay, this is it. Nchegharị na-amalite n'obi ntiwa. So the only thing Nake means was that he wrote NA as if it's and. You don't write NA in this case. It's with or in. N comma on top, obintiwa. That is the only thing that he missed out. Some of you have not been able to click the like button for this live class. It appears the live class does not benefit anybody. You didn't learn anything today. Could I be right to say that you are not learning anything? You didn't learn anything today in this class? Is it correct? But if you know you have learned something, hit the like button, please. Beside the channel name, drop your like button here, emoji, drop it, your like emoji. Give it, give us a shout out here in the chat session if you have learned something from today's class. One thing, two things, three things. If you know you have learned in today's class, drop your emoji, a clapping emoji. Okay. Oh, somebody is giving us some talking. Thank you very much, Nake, for your gift. We appreciate that. Somebody should just help me to thank Nake for the gift. Help me thank him for the gift he dropped for us. A gift of a super chat for us or sticker. Thank you, Nake. Who else is saying thank you? Just an emoji is okay for us. A thank you, a clap, anything you need to do to appreciate our class today. And we want to also appreciate you for making it to come to class today because we shifted the class by 1 hour with a short notice. So we appreciate you for being able to, reschedule your time in and still attend the class despite the short notice. We're not taking you for granted. We appreciate you and we thank you for your understanding. It's not intentional. It is out of, emergency, just as I said in the message. So thank you very much for learning with us. See you again next Saturday. God bless you. Ke Messiah.